I said hold still.
Hi, excuse me. Are you Glam by Gloria? I don't know if this was the right location. I have an appointment.
Hi, girly pop. You're a little early.
Wait, but I booked the 11 a.m. slot.
I thought your appointment was
Hold
for 2.
Okay, I just looked for the email. It says 11, not 2.
Well, babe, I have like 7 heads here. Can you wait like 7 hours?
7 hours? I literally have somewhere to be, but like...
My bad, girly pop. Let me just finish with her and then I'll get to you, okay?
Help me, please. Ow!
I said hold still! I'm finally done. Thank you so much for waiting 8 hours. You didn't have to do that.
Nobody else was available.
So, like, what look are you trying to get?
I'm going for like soft glam, Instagram baddie, kind of like Hollywood type.
I think I could do that. I could do that.
Okay, cool.
Okay, where's your foundation?
Foundation? I didn't bring anything. Isn't this a makeup salon? Like,
you didn't bring your own makeup with you?
No, I thought you would have that. Like,
babe, that's gonna be an extra $700.
What? You should have said that.
Well, babe, it's literally on my website. You're supposed to bring your own makeup. Hello.
Are you serious?
Listen, babe, we can try some of mine and I'll see if it like works on your face.
Is there a problem? What?
Oh, this one is definitely gonna be your color. This is gonna be you. Okay, third time's the charm. Third time's the charm. Oh, see? I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Listen, I used to be a mortician, but I'm not trying to make you go casket ready, okay? Okay, let me just do your eyeliner. Boo, why you scared? I got you. I got you. You know I'm not gonna let nothing happen to you. Okay. See, you just made me mess up. See? Now I just gotta like... Let me...
Ew!
What?
What do you mean, what? That's disgusting.
I put on hand sanitizer yesterday. Okay, let me just apply a little bit of blush. You look so pretty already, girly pop.
Mommy.
Hey!
Whoa.
Sorry, his dad was supposed to get him this weekend, but he got arrested.
What they gotta do with me?
Listen, boo, the landlord turned the water off, so honestly, we're just gonna have to use this. You don't mind if it has a little mold on it, right? Okay. So, girly pop, why'd you need your makeup done? What's the occasion?
I'm going on a little first date, so I'm a little nervous.
Shut up! Boo, I'm sorry. Let me get it out. It's not that bad. See, look. I got it out.
This is not happening right now.
So let's just do this first. Okay, I'm just gonna use a quick setting spray and I'm just gonna set your face, okay?
Whoa! Are you really about to spray my face with Pam cooking spray for food?
No. Girly pop, you look so good. Can I take a pic for my Instagram?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, just keep your eyes closed and just look down, okay?
He say that I'm good enough.
Why?
Think about shit that I should've known.